Hey everybody, so in this video we're going to talk about making time for you. But before we get into that, make sure you hit subscribe and you hit that notifications bell so you get a cheeky little notification every time I upload a new video. Now, taking time for you is incredibly important. I can't stress it enough. I talk a lot about self-love, and self-love is something that we hear a lot in the personal development and the kind of self-improvement and the wellness sort of zones. And it's really, really important. But not many people know what self-love is. My interpretation of self-love, one is learning to love yourself and finding something you love about yourself, so self-love. But for me, it's also doing stuff you love, so doing stuff that you love, self-love. You know, maybe you love taking a bath. Maybe you love going for a walk. Maybe you love watching a film in the cinema. Maybe you love just chilling, watching TV, eating chocolate. Maybe you love spending time with family or friends, or maybe you just love time on your own. Just make sure you do something every day for yourself. And it doesn't have to be some big gesture. It doesn't have to be hours and hours and hours of time that you spend, but just do 5-10 minutes a day. Just everyone has 5 or 10 minutes. If you don't have 5 or 10 minutes, you don't have a life. You know, I know people say, well, I've got kids, I'm always hectic. Kids go to bed, kids go to sleep. Means you've got time after that. You can wake up before them. I know some kids get up early, but you've got time, you can make time. Even on a lunch break at work, go out for 10 minutes. Go and sit in the toilet for 10 minutes and play games on your phone. Even if that's just what you want to do, just make sure you do something every single day for you. Because at the end of the day, life is about finding pleasure in the little things. Life is about finding pleasure in every single day, no matter what it is. So do something that gives you pleasure. Like, you know, we all have these big goals and these big dreams, and yes, they're beautiful. I love that. I love that people work towards them. I love that. But, you know, yes, life is about kind of growing and learning and being a better person. But, you know, those big goals, they don't happen every day. So it's learning to find pleasure in every day and detaching from the fact that you have to achieve that goal. Like if you're saying things like, I'll be happy when, I'll have time for me when. No, like that's just no, okay? Make sure you are taking time for you every single day. Just a little bit, but just take a little bit of time for you every single day. Have a beautiful rest of your day, everybody. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.